If you want to go ahead and insert out table data in Google Vids, then all you need to do is go ahead onto the Insert menu and then go to Tables and select the number of cells that you want. Rows and columns right here visually. Click on it and there you have the table. You can go ahead and resize it. You can go ahead and press tab to add a new table and so forth. And you can see that when you right click, you can see that I can insert row above right here. I can insert row below and so forth. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in, let's say for example, symbol number, name right here, color, let's say for example, just like this, and price. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. So this is going to be apple, banana. Let's say for example, let's say I want to delete this. So I'm just going to go ahead and right click and delete out the row right here. So I'm just going to go around and say mango right here. So color is going to be red and banana is going to be yellow. Mango is going to be yellow right here as well. Or it's going to be orange right here, just like this. And price is going to be 2.38, 3.34 right here. 1.38, and let's say this is going to be 3.45 right here, just like this. So you can see that I got a table data and I can go ahead and select out the cells as I want right here and then add in a background color. Let's say for example, I can go ahead and do this and I can go ahead and bold this out, let's say for example, and I can go ahead and change the color of the font as well. So you can see that I can apply all of the formattings as I need. And I can go ahead and let's say for example center align it, go top to bottom right here just like this, and arrange out the areas. So I can change around the alignment as I need. So this is what I have, and you can see that I have this table right here. I can go ahead and animate it out as well just like this, and you can see that just like any other objects, I can go ahead and then add animations to this right here just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and insert out tables as you need inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.